What if there's something else you're hiding from us? Something troublesome for the government, perhaps? That is a risk we would be fools to take. We do not need your progress.
I'm begging you, on behalf of all humanity.
There's something I neglected to mention. It's about that ship that escaped the island yesterday. I've issued an order to have it pursued. After all, there might be people on board who learned something about the Void Century in their time here. I must ensure that none of them survive. So I sent a warship.